From the beginning, God made them male and female. Therefore, a man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. God is love, and those who live in love live in God, and God lives in them.
I've been searching my whole life for you, never knowing where it lead me to.
Marriage is appointed by God, and church believe that marriage is a gift of God in creation, and a grace in which man and woman become one in heart, mind, and body. Marriage is the sacred and lifelong union of a man and woman who give themselves to each other in love and trust. And marriage is given that husband and wife may enrich and encourage each other in every part of their life together. Will you give yourself one to the other, to be husband and wife, to live together in the covenant of marriage?
Yes, will.
Will you love and be faithful to one to the other as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I will. In the name of God, I, Damian, take you, Edyta, to be my wife from this day forward, to have and to hold, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, as long as we both shall live.
I wasn't looking until the day I looked at you. I wasn't searching, walking through life somehow. Wherever we go, I don't know where it's leading, but all that you are is all that I'm needing. Light in the window, an open door waiting for me.
In the name of God, I, Edyta, take you, Damian, to be my husband from this day forward, to her and to her, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, as long as we shall both live.
Feels like feels like with you I can see
Edyta, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage.
the future looks clear and it's bright. Life has new meaning.
Damian, I give you this ring as a sign of our marriage.
As long as your hands here in mine, wherever
Now that you, Edyta and Damian have promised to give yourself to one another and to love each other through your sacred vows and through the giving and receiving of this ring, I now pronounce you husband and wife.